communication, innovation, cooperation, development. The 2017 518 Chinese Locksmith Annual Meeting, the most important event of the industry, will be grand held in ZhuHai. It is not only the most representative national conference in China's locksmith industry, but also Asia's largest industry summit. The conference was founded in 2003 and accompanied all the locksmiths for 15 years. Every year, on May the 18th, locksmiths from all over the country gather together to exhibit the most advanced lockware technology, auto anti-theft and decoding technology, as well as the latest unlocking tools, car decoding devices. What's more, they share experiences to each other. With the development of Chinese locksmith industry, more and more foreign colleagues have joined the big family. We welcome more of them to participate in the 518 annual meeting to help domestic locksmiths to improve their skills while creating more business opportunities for both of us. 2017, May the 18th, ZhuHai, China. We sincerely welcome you to visit.